I just finished installing these chain slack adjusters. Took the stock ones off and put these on. The key points of interest are these are made out of stainless steel. I'm not sure what the stock ones are made out of, but they don't seem to be stainless steel. And the little grooves that index on this pin are a lot better. I mean, you could look at the stock one. This kind of rounded over, I guess, from the years, but it was a real pain in the butt to, get this thing adjusted correctly with using this adjuster. These are a lot easier, more positive click when you go up against them pins. And these don't have numbers like the stock ones do, but you just use these little cutouts here, and basically that it's the same thing. I mean, it works the same as the numbers. But yeah, I like these. These are pretty sweet. I bought them from this company here, MDN Special. They're out of Slovakia. I had them shipped over here to the United States, so if you live in Europe, probably be a little bit cheaper on the shipping. But yeah, I didn't think they were that bad for the price. I also bought some new pads, that isolator pads, or I don't know what you call them, but basically they go underneath the tank. So if you're ever taking your tank off, these are the replacements. They're cut, I guess, exactly as the stock ones are. So I'll be doing that at some point in the future, because my pads are underneath the tank aren't looking that great. So I'm going to put these on. But yeah, main point of the video was about these chain slack adjusters. They're pretty sweet. So if you're in need, take a look at that company, because I mean, it looks like a real quality product and it feels great. So when you're trying to adjust it.